Hello students, good morning all of you. Students, your exercise 7.1 is going on, and in this chapter you have to use the concept of linear equation and also the solution of linear equation. So I have explained that how can you find the solution of linear equation. So there are two methods for finding the solution of linear equation. First method is systematic method and second method is your transposition method. So you are all know also that the systematic method is very useful for finding the transposition method is very useful for finding the solution of linear equation in one variable in quick time. So here we will solve some another type of numerical question which is given in exercise 7.1. So here the third question is you have to solve the following equation. So first of all you have to try to solve both the side, then after you have to apply the transposition method. So let's start. Here 5x, student you have to open the bracket, then we can say that minus plus minus, because 3 what is the operator before 3x? 3x के पहले बच्चों कौन सा ऑपरेटर है? पॉजिटिव साइन है, यानी तो माइनस इंटू प्लस कितना होगा? माइनस हो जाएगा. और फिर देखिए आप बच्चों माइनस है, माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या होता है? प्लस होता है. फिर देखिए बच्चों 5x माइनस 3x कितना बचेगा? 2x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू x माइनस 4. अब बच्चों देखिए ट्रांसपोज करेंगे, ट्रांसपोजिशन मेथड लगाएंगे. x को LHS में शिफ्ट करेंगे, 1 को RHS में शिफ्ट करेंगे. सो वी कैन राइट 2x माइनस x. यहाँ पर बच्चों x पॉजिटिव है तो यहाँ निगेटिव हो जाएगा, और 1 पॉजिटिव है तो ये भी निगेटिव हो जाएगा. यहाँ लिखेंगे बाई ट्रांसपोजिशन मेथड. ओके, so again we can write 2x minus x is equal to x and minus 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 5, and this is the solution of first part of this question. Now we are moving the second part, that is B part. So here in this question, the given question I have given in fraction. So I have explained that if any question has given in a fraction, then you have to apply the cross multiplication method. Okay, so you have to multiply this denominator by this number. So we can write 5 into 2x minus 1 plus 3 into 4x plus 3, and here you have to multiply this algebraic expression by this number. So we can write 4 into 4x 5 into 4x minus 1. Now again we have to solve the LHS and RHS, then after we have to apply the method of transposition. So here 5 into 2 means 10x minus 5 into 1 means 5, and 3 4s are 12x, and 3 3s are 9, and here 5 4s are 20, and 5 1s are 5. Now again we have to solve this LHS part. So here 10x plus 12x, बच्चों 10x plus 12x कितना होगा? 22x, and 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 is equal to 20x minus 5. Now student we have to apply the transposition method. So we have to shift 20x to LHS and 4 to RHS. So we can write 22x minus 20x is equal to minus 4, and here 4 we have to shift it, then the sign of 4 has been changed, so we can write minus 4. Now student 22 minus 20 means 2x is equal to 5 4 9, and this 2 will also be shifted in RHS. So again we can write x is equal to minus 9 upon 2, and this is the final answer. Now students, we are moving the next question, but before moving the next question, pause the video to note it down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now students, we are moving the next question, that is question number C. Here the question has also given in fraction form. So first of all you have to solve the LHS part, then after you have to apply the transposition method. So here first of all you have to take the LCM, then after you have to solve. Okay, so here the LCM of 3 to 5 is 2 into 3 into 5 is 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So because 2, 3 and 5 are prime number, so we can say that the LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. Okay, so here if you multiply it by 10, then this denominator will become 30. So here we have to again multiply the numerator by 10, 4x plus 1 plus, and here 15, so 15 into 2x minus 1, and here 12 into 3x minus 7. Now student, this 30 will multiply by 6 by cross multiplication method. Okay, so now 10 into 4 means 40x, plus 10 into 1 means 10, plus 15 to the 30x minus 15, and minus 12 3 is 36, and minus plus 12 7 is 84 is equal to, student, you have to multiply 6 by 30, then we can write 6 3 is 18, that is 180. Okay, 6 into 30 means 180, so the RHS will become 180. Now again we have to solve this LHS part by collecting like terms. So here 40x plus 30x means 70x. No, here again another x term is coming. So here we have to solve 40 plus 30 minus 36 means 70 minus 36. So here we can write 10 minus 6 is 4, and 6 minus 3 is 34. That is 34x plus here 84 plus 10. 84 plus 10 means 94 is equal to 180. Now we have to apply that transposition method. So we have to shift 94 to RHS, then we can write 180 minus 94. So here 10 minus 4 is 6, and 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Okay, then x is equal to, again we have to shift this 34 to RHS. Now we have to simplify this fraction. So here 2 4 is 8, and 2 3 is 6, and 2 17 is 34. So this is the answer. Let me check the answer is coming in mixed fraction or improper fraction. Student, this is the question of exercise 6.1. In previous segment I have written exercise 7.1, so please correct, this is not exercise 7.1, this is exercise 6.1. okay, so mention this in your copy that this is the question of exercise 6.1. So here The C part of the question is here x 143 upon 52. Let me check that where is the incorrect term. So here 4x plus 1 3, 2x minus 1 upon 2 and 6 3x minus 7 is 30. So 10 3 is 10, 4 is 40 and 10 1 is 10, 15 2 is 30, 15 2 is 30. Student, there is a mistake, some mistakes happened, so here we have to correct this mistake. First of all, we have to collect the like terms. So again we can write 40x plus 30x minus 36x, and we have to collect the constant like 10 plus 84 minus 15 is equal to 180. So here 40 plus 30 means 70x minus 36x plus here 94 minus 15. Okay, now 70 minus 36 means 34x and 94 minus 15 means 14 minus 5 is equal to 9, and here 8 minus 1 is 7. Now we have to apply the transposition method, so we have to shift this 79 to RHS. So we can write 34x is equal to 180 minus 79, then we will get 10 minus 9 is 1, and here 7 minus 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 34x, then x is equal to 101 upon 34. Now student, there is a lot of mistake I have found. So first, again we have to solve this question. So first of all we have to take LCM. So the LCM of 3 to 5 is 30. Okay, now we have to multiply by 10 because 10 3s are 30. So here we can write 10 into 4x plus 1 plus here 15 2s are 30. So here again we have to write 15 into 2x minus 1, and after checking that where is the incorrect term, so here we have to multiply by 6, not 12. So we can write 6 into 3x minus 7 because 6 5 is 30. Now we have to multiply this 30 by 6. So again we can write 4x plus 1 plus 15 into 2x minus 1 and minus 6 into 3x minus 7 and 6 into 30. Okay, so again 10 4 is 40x plus 10 plus 15 2 is 30x minus 15 and minus 6 3 is 18x and minus plus 6 7 is 42. Okay, and here we can write 180. Now collect the like term as like 40x plus 30x minus 18x, and you have to collect the constant like as 10 minus 10 plus 42 and minus 15. Now here 40 plus 30 means 70x. 40 plus 30 means 70x, and minus 18x plus 42 plus 10 is equal to 52 minus 15. Now here 70 minus 18 means 10 minus 8 is 2, and here 6 minus 1 is 5 plus 52 minus 15 is 12 minus 5 is 7, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Now we have to apply the transposition method, so you have to shift 37 to RHS. So we can write 180 minus 37. So here 10 minus 7 is 3, and here 7 minus 3 is 4. Then again we have to apply the transposition method, and we have to shift this 52 to RHS. So here we can write 143 upon 52, and this is the final answer. Okay, now we are moving the next question, that is D part. So again we have to solve this D part as same as A, B and C. So first of all you have to solve this LHS. So you have to multiply 5x into x and 5x into 3. Okay, then after you have to multiply 1 by x and 1 by 3. So apply this process of प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फाइंडिंग द बायनॉमियल। बच्चों बायनॉमियल को बायनॉमियल से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आपने पढ़ा होगा बायनॉमियल को किस तरह से। हाउ कैन वी फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट बाय बायनॉमियल टू बायनॉमियल? सो हियर 5x into x, then 5x square. Okay, 5x into 3 means 5 3 is a 15x, and here x into minus 1 means minus x, and minus plus minus 3 1 is a 3. Okay, now here again we have to apply this method. So we can write 5x into x means 5x square, plus x into 1 means x, and 5 5 is a 25x, plus 5 into 1 means minus 5 into 1 means 5, and plus 40. Okay, so here 5x square will be cancelled, because if the same term with same operator has given in both sides, then they will be cancelled. बच्चों जब कोई सेम टर्म अगर दोनों साइड में दिए होते हैं और सेम ऑपरेटर के साथ होते हैं, तो वो दोनों टर्म आपस में कैंसिल हो जाते हैं. सो वी कैन राइट 15x माइनस x माइनस 3 is equal to x minus 25x minus 5 plus 40. Now we have to again this to solve this LHS and RHS, then we have to apply the transposition method. So here 15x minus x means 14x, because here the coefficient of x is 1 and 15 minus 1 is 14, and here 25 1x minus 25x means minus 24x. Okay, I have explained many times. Minus 24x, and here minus 5 plus 40 means plus 35. Now we have to apply the transposition method. So we have to shift this 24 to RHS, because this 24 is negative sign. So if after shifting the sign of 24 will be changed, and here again we have to shift this minus 3, then we have to write plus 3. Now 4 plus 4 is 8, and 2 1 plus is 3, and here 35 plus 3 is 39. Then again we have to shift this 38 to RHS. So we can write 39 upon 38, and this is the final answer. So student, before moving the next question, pause the video to note it down on your copy and take a screenshot. Student, there is a little bit mistake here. You have to add 35 plus 3, that is 30. Here you have to write 38. So the answer will be changed, because if you divide 38 by 38, then we will get 1. Okay, so here we can write x is equal to 1, and this is the final answer. Now student, we are moving the some another type of question. So here the question number F is x minus 4 upon 7 minus 4 is equal to 5 minus x plus 3. So student, there are lots of variety of question have given in the question number 3. So again we have to apply the same method. So first of all you have to solve the LHS and RHS, then after apply you have to transposition method. So here we have to multiply this 7 by 4. So we can write 7 4 is a 28 upon 7, and you have to multiply this 3 by 1. So you have to write 3 1s are 3 upon 3. Now student, both the sides are in fraction form, so again we have to apply the cross multiplication method. First of all, you have to solve this term. So here minus 4 minus 28 means minus 32, and 5 plus 3 is 8. Then apply cross multiplication method. So here 3 multiply by x minus 32, and 7 multiply 8 minus x. So here 3 into x means 3x, minus 3 into 32 means 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9, and here 7 into 8 means 56 minus 7x. Student, we have to apply, this is the time we have to apply the transposition method. So here you have to shift this 7x to RHS, and this 96 to 7x to LHS, and 96 to RHS. Then their sign will be changed. Now 3 plus 7 means 10x is equal to 6 6 12, and 9 plus 5 is 14, and 1 15. Then again we have to shift this 10 to RHS. So here 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, and 2 6s are 12. So the answer is x is equal to 76 upon 5. Okay. Now we are moving some another part of this G part, and here the variable is changed. Here the variable is a. So again we have to apply the same process. First of all, you have to taking the LCM, that is here the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So we have to multiply by 5 by a plus 6, and plus minus 3 4s are 12. 5a minus 4 upon 8. Now we have to multiply this term, that is 5 into a means 5a, plus 5 6 are 30, minus 12 upon 20 is equal to 5a minus 4 upon 8. And student, 5a plus 30 minus 12 means 18, okay, upon 20 is equal to 5a minus 4 upon 8. So student, this is the time we have to apply the cross multiplication method. So here 8 multiply by 5a plus 18, and 20 multiply by 5a minus 4. Then 8 5s are 40a, plus 18 8s are 144, and 25s are 100, plus a 20 into 5a means 100a, and 24s are 80. Now we have to apply the transposition method. So we can write 40a, and here you have to shift this 100a to LHS, and here you have to shift this 154 to RHS. Now 40 minus 100 means minus 60a is equal to, and minus here both the number in negative. So you know that if both the number is negative sign, then both the number will be add and the sign will be negative. So here 10 4 8 4 12 and 1 1 2. And you are also know that if both the sides have negative sign, then the sign will be cancelled. Now you have to shift this 60 to RHS, and this fraction will be simplified by 2 2 1 ja 2 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, and 2 30 ja. Again we have to divide 2 5 ja 10 and 2 6 ja 12, 2 15 ja 30. Hence the value of variable a is 56 upon 15 and this is the final answer. Okay, let me check the answer is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. So student, now you have to try to solve some remaining question, that is E and H. Only two questions you have to solve by yourself. And but before watching all the steps today which I have given, after writing this question, you have to solve only two questions by yourself. And student, in next video I will discuss some more word problem of this chapter. So till then, thank you very much for being with us.